We are honored to support Dayton Children's Hospital during the Subaru Loves to Care Month. Since its inception in 2017, Wagner Subaru has donated over 500 blankets to Children's Medical Center during the Subaru Loves to Care Month.
We are bringing these blankets for patients while they go through chemotherapy. We had our customers and our team members write messages of hope and encouragement so that the patients at Dayton Children's feel supported during this tough time.
We have been working with Subaru for several years now. Our goal is to provide comfort and care for patients and their families by providing blankets and art kits to patients at local hospitals like Dayton Children's. And we're just really excited to have this partnership because it helps us get out in the community, spread word about what the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society does, and then also help us with our mission.
When the kids get the blankets, their faces light up because sometimes they're coming in, they're not expecting anything, but to get something to brighten their day makes a huge difference, and blankets are always a big hit. They're a lot softer than the blankets we have here at the hospital.
We definitely want to make sure that patients and their families are feeling supported, and the more support they feel from their community, from organizations like Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, the better. To provide resources, to share information on financial aid, or just different groups that patients and families may need during this time. So working with Wagner Subaru really helps us to do that.
It makes their long infusion a little more comfortable, and it makes an overnight stay even better. It brightens up their bed, and it just gives them something nice to snuggle up with.
Wagner Subaru.
Wagner Subaru.
Love the experience.
Love the experience.